In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a project folder and open a terminal in Visual Studio Code. Let's launch the Visual Studio Code app. In the top left corner, click on the File icon. In this menu, expand the No Folder Opened part. In the drop-down menu, click on Open Folder. Now we have to give a path to the project. You can select an existing folder, or you can create a new one. In my case, I will create a new one. Right-click on the empty display. In the pop-up menu, click on New, then select Folder. Let's name this folder Test. Now open the folder and click on Select Folder. A pop-up should appear about the authorization of the folder. Now check the Trust the Authors option and click on Yes, I trust the author. Now in the Explorer menu, click on your folder name and click on the Add File icon. In the file name, type index.js. Here you can see that a coding file has opened on the display. Now let's see how to open a terminal in the same file. In the top left menu, click on Terminal. In the drop-down menu, click on New Terminal. The terminal menu should open at the bottom of the display. Let's check if the terminal is in the same file. In the terminal, type pwd, then press Enter. Here you can see that the terminal location matches my folder's location. That means it's in the same file. Following these steps, you can create a project folder easily in Visual Studio Code.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.